This 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 31G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new grand design is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 6, smoke detector, air conditioning, stovetop burner, slideout, external shower, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, Colorado detector, awning, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 31G is 8,975 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.